In this video, I will show you how to get the next working day in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some dates in this column. Now I want to get the next working day of these dates in this column. For example, for the first two dates, 19th and 20th July, the next business day will be Monday, 22nd July 2024. We can use the Excel workday function to get the date of the next working day or the next business day. The workday function returns the nearest working day in the past or future for the specified date. This function accepts three arguments: a start date, the number of days to add or subtract, and an optional holiday list. Let's type an equal sign in the target cell to start the formula. Now type workday followed by an opening bracket. Select the cell containing the date as the first argument. Since we want the next working day of the date, I am going to add one business day to the date. Type a comma and then type 1 as the second argument. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, we now have the next business day for all the dates. By default, the workday function considers Saturday and Sunday as weekends and does not take public holidays into account. However, we can specify the list of public holidays as the third argument of the workday function so that it can exclude those days. Here in this Excel sheet, I have created a list of holidays in this column. Now let's modify the formula and provide this cell range as holidays so that these holidays are excluded from the working day calculation. Also, make the holiday range reference absolute so that when we copy the formula to other cells, it does not change. Let's copy the formula to other cells. As you can see, for the first date, the next working day for the 19th and 20th of July is calculated as Tuesday, 23rd of July because we have specified Monday, 22nd July as the holiday in the list. Similarly, for the last row, the next working day for 25th July is calculated as 29th July. That is because we specified Friday, 26th July as a public holiday in the list. The workday function by default excluded Saturday, 27th July and Sunday, 28th July. So the next business day is calculated as Monday, 29th July. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.